just put about a good 30-45 minutes in on polishing. So if I can do this about 4 times that, maybe, I don't know, who knows, 3 times that amount, shit, the next time I start polishing it'll take off more. So we just keep on going with it, get all down in there, and as much as possible before I get this attached. Yeah, keep working, cause it look good. Old mother's words, Redskin. They bet you $1. Don't bet him no dollars. You know he gonna come up and show. Check him out. Y'all seen him at the races. Check me out, cuz. Clean as fuck. Keep working.